Hello, everybody. My name is Marcelo Caetano, and I am the Secretary General of the International Social Security Association, KE-55. So, dear Professor Mukti, board members, senior management, and the staff of BPJS Kesehatan. It is with great pleasure that I'm sending you congratulations from the International Social Security Association, ISA, and its global membership from 163 countries on your 55th anniversary. As your institution is celebrating this important milestone, you're also marking the 10th year of the implementation of the National Health Insurance Program. It is in this circumstance and under your current name of BPJS Kesehatan that your institution is providing an important good practice for health insurance institutions globally. As 92% of the population are covered under the National Health Insurance Program, you can look back with satisfaction to these impressive results. However, as we know your institution, you will not pause, but continue to innovating and making efforts to further extend coverage and improve the service to participants. Your current service quality transformation initiative, which focus on services that are easy, fast, and equal, is an example of the commitment of your institution to its participants and the entire Indonesian population. Reflecting your consistent approach to excellence, the ISA awarded your institution the ISA Good Practice Award for Asia and the Pacific 2021 for the good practice named Managing and Governing National Health Security Program in a Single-Payer Scheme, Integrated Service Solutions to Achieve Universal Health Coverage. This was an outstanding achievement. I would also like to recognize the leadership provided by BPJS Kesehatan to the promotion of national health insurance systems internationally, in particular through the ISA Technical Commission on Medical Care and Sickness Insurance, which is currently chaired by Professor Mukti. Let me take this occasion to express our gratitude for the long-standing and close cooperation between your institution and our association, and for your commitment to international exchange and networking. To close, I wish you all the best for your celebrations and for the future development of your institution. Thank you very much.